find Bree. Hey, Bree. Bree, wake up. Bree. We're supposed to be doing the show. Hey, wake up. Oh! That put my pants down.
I'm trying to sleep.
What the heck was that about?
I'm gonna go get ready. Take 5 minutes.
Stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad that baby she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Hey, Ashley, truth or dare?
Dare.
Yeah, well, I dare you to go run around my backyard for 10 seconds in the rain.
Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can come back now. Woo!
Hey, truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to go outside and yell, I'm the king of the world.
Okay.
What? I'm the king of the world!
Yeah! Alright, so we're gonna go find Ashley. Yo, Ashley, what up, Mom Skillet? Yeah! I can't do this. Alright, so we're gonna go find Bree right now. Let's see. Wake up, wake up! Bree, wake up. Alright, we're gonna go find Ashley. Ashley! 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 Okay, this is Ashley's second time of trying. Hey, Bree! Bree, wake up! Bree, wake up! We're supposed to be doing the show. Come on. Quit making me laugh, dude!
Okay, hold on. I think I'm sleeping.
I'm still filming.
No.